So I'm just going down a pretty steep hill, coming down from the top of the rock at Jasper Highlands, and it's a pretty steep hill. A lot of switchbacks and that sort of thing. So I'm just grade braking, and I just wanted to show you guys what it takes to hold back a Silverado with the 2.7 liter 4-cylinder going down. I'm not exactly sure what the grade is on this, but it's pretty steep. And as you can see, it's taking about 4,000 RPM to hold it on this particular grade. 20 miles an hour, 22 miles an hour. You don't have to come down it in low. I'm in low 1 to just demonstrate it for you guys. And here's a little bit of the grade. You can see a little bit of the valley that we're going down into. It's a pretty steep little hill. Just had to hit a brake right there to keep going around the curves. Mostly engine braking. Almost 4,500. There's a little brake. So engine braking on the 2.7 liter versus a V8. The V8 is indeed better, but the 2.7 liter will get the job done for you for engine braking. Dropping quickly off on this little hill. Pop her back up into drive, and we're good to go. Always having to get gas whenever I make these videos. Y'all take care.